Before configuring the certificate, please make sure that grading is properly set up and that you have selected an assignment type for each subsection that contains graded problems. Go to the Schedule and Details tab, scroll down a bit, and locate the Certificate Display Behavior field. This setting should be configured as immediately upon passing, if you want your learners to be able to receive the certificate as soon as they complete the course. However, if you prefer that learners receive the certificate only after the course ends, choose the End Date option. Or you can select a specific date when the certificate becomes available by clicking on a date after the course end date. Once done, click Save Changes. Next, go to the Admin panel and locate the Certificates section. Click on Certificate Generation Configuration. On the next page, click the Add Certificate Generation Configuration button. Enable the checkbox labeled Enabled, and click the Save button. Return to the previous page and now click on Certificate HTML View Configurations. Click the Add Certificate button, enable the checkbox and click Save. The next time you set up certificates on this platform, you can skip these first steps in the admin panel, as they only need to be done once. Now let's return to the admin panel homepage. Find and click on Course Modes. On this page, click Add Course Mode. In the Course field, provide the course ID for which you are setting up the certificate. You can copy the course ID from Studio or LMS. Paste the course ID into the field. In the Mode field, select Honor. Please note that by default, all courses use the Audit mode, which does not grant access to certificates. In the Display Name field, type My Certificate. The Price field is only available for paid courses. If it is the course that should be paid, please contact the technical team first to set up the shopping cart first. Click Save once everything is completed. At this point, the course mode has been successfully changed to Honor. However, please note that if any learners enrolled before the course mode was updated, you will need to manually change their mode. Otherwise, they will still be in audit mode and will not be able to receive a certificate. To update the course mode for these learners, go to the Course Enrollments page in the admin panel. To view the enrollments for your course, enter the course ID in the search field and click Search. Here you can see the current course mode of each learner. If you see that a learner is still enrolled in audit mode, click on their ID. In the Mode field, manually change their course mode to Honor, and be sure to save the changes. We have now successfully completed the configuration in the admin panel. Now we are back in Studio. Click on the Settings tab and select the Certificates option. Then click the Add Your First Certificate button. If you want to change the default course name that appears on the certificate, you can enter the new title in the Course Title Override field. Next, provide the title, name, and signature of the person who provided the certificate. Then upload the signature image file. Once you're done, click the Create button. Don't forget to click Activate to activate the certificate. If you need to make changes later, deactivate the certificate first, apply your changes, and then activate the certificate again. You can preview how the certificate will look by clicking the Preview button. The preview page will open in the Learning Management System. If you receive an error while trying to preview the certificate, make sure you're logged into the LMS using the same account as in Studio. To manually generate certificates, go to the Instructor dashboard in the LMS and open the Certificates tab. In the Regenerate Certificates section, you can see how many learners the system will issue certificates for. Once a certificate has been issued, the View My Certificate button will appear on the learner's dashboard, and students can click it to access their certificate. You can get more details about the generated certificates on the Data Download page. On that page, Scroll down and click the View Certificates Issued button to see information about the issued certificates. Alternatively, you can click Download Certificates Issued. If your course is instructor-paced mode, the instructor can manually generate certificates for learners, or allow students to generate them on their own. To allow this, go to the Certificates tab in the LMS and click the Enable Student-Generated Certificates button. Now, students who have met all requirements to receive a certificate will be able to request one from the progress page. Please note, the View Certificate button on the progress page will only appear if this setting is enabled.